tu là chuan time and work 11 akan lu tang oh 11 solution. Pipes A and B can fill an empty tank in 6 hours and 12 hours respectively. Pipe A le B and oma pipe A le B chuan pipe A chuan darkar chungin nge tanki ruak kha ti khat vek thea chuan pipe B ve thung chuan darkar som pani ama thungani in ko chak thei le mai tro chuan ti kan chi to ni pipe S1 hour walk darkar khat na tho chak jong chu 1/6 ani pele me tu ting bokin pipe bis 1 hour walk to 1/12 ani pele me chuna question kaning ting pi if both are open together in an empty tank how much time will they take to fill it completely adi an pani khan kan hong rual do na tanki pakhat akhana rok tanki ro pakhat akhan kan hoti ro ni ani chun a rual an ha tho kha darkar ang sa chung nge empty kha pek the chuma chuan kan bel mai do ni ani therefore an darkar khat na tho chak song kan ni pipe A plus B is 1 hour walk kan tilenga 1/6 plus 1/12 ni le maya chuan LCM ilak chuan 12 LCM ni 2 plus 1 lo ta ni chuan 2 plus 1 to 3 ani 3/12 to 1/3 in 3 4s are 12 1/4 alone here chuan an panian tho dun chuan 1 hour kha time convert that chun hi ling zong ta tun dar kar li an kin le chu hence time taken by pipes A and B to fill an empty tank equal to 1/4 to 4 hours. Darkar li chin mani pani tang tin chuan kan question number 11 kan so 12 kan du le nga la nga 12 solution question number 12 chuan 3 taps adi tap pathum adi A B and C can fill an overhead tank in 5 hours. The tap C is twice as fast as B and the tap B is twice as fast as A adi hi point mo ta equation kan nei don ta chuan ting ati photang equation kha kan siam sa photang we have toi ting bar kan sia kang ting ati tap C is twice as fast as B. C is equal to 2B. B let ni le C na tho chak zo kan reng tin ni equation 1 chuan an dut leng ting ati le kan elang tap B is twice as fast as A ati tap B chu A na tho chak zong le ani chuan C hi chak ber ki ani chu ho chak ber hi equation min pek chu ni ta chuan equation chuan tin ati ta an pathuma an tho ho khan darkar nga chungin tuyen ti khat pek the ti chuan pipe no tap tap taps A plus B plus C is 1 hour walk 1 hour walk to darkar nga ti chuan 1/5 alone ta Chuan a sawn a kan chia rang how much time will tap A alone to fill the empty tank tap A chi hi du ni tap A 1 hour work zong tur ni tap A 1 hour work chu ling zong chuan a time take ni to kha chu bang chuan hem hi equation hei hi chaw nan kan mang ton ta ni chuan therefore kan tianga tap A chi ka du wangin B I a 2A ka da thea C I a 2B ka da the equation 1 la 2 in la B le C ka thak don ta ni chu bang chuan tianga ti don ni A plus B I a 2A plus C I a 2B ka thak ta A chi ka du chuan hei la thak le ngai don ni equal to 1 by 5 tianga which implies lang kan chok phei nge 3A ni to 2A le A bel chu 3A plus 2B chu BI à 2A ka da le 2 into 2B 2A BI à chen 2A ka da the helai BI à 2A ka da le equal to 1 by 5 ka nia which implies 3A plus 2 2s are 4A is equal to 1 by 5 lo ni le a ka bel le chen hi 7A ti na ni 7A equal to 1 by 5 tuna chun A ma chu ta chun 7 le lama pe don 1 by 7 ni don ta ni which implies tap is 1 hour work he to 1 hour work is equal to 1 by 5 into 1 by 7 to 1 by 35 ni ta chu bang chuan take A 1 hour work to 1 by 35 and it's what a time taken to 35 hours. Therefore, step A alone will fill the empty tank in thấy time thì nó time so ito hay chu work ani hay time in 35 hours dar par sam thum panga chung in zo thei ti na chu question number 12 ania na 30 na kan bu le na lang question number 13 solution what 13 na chuan two pipes A and B can fill a cistern in 15 minutes and 20 minutes respectively chu wang chuan ka ha answer kan ji khal mi nga pipe A pipe is 1 minute work 1 minute work to 1 by 15 minutes of na bangin 1 by 15 so tiang bokin pipe B is 1 minute work to 1 by 20 so when a question is here both the pipes are open together but after 4 minutes pipe B is closed pipe A le B ka minute is through so pipe A plus B is 1 minute check la le bangin 1 minute ka chok phot doni 1 minute work is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 so LCM kan langa LCM to 16 15 4 plus 23 7 by 60 hi an pathum an pahnian tho rola minute khatan tho chak jong chu na jong jong mun som ro ka thina mun sari in zo thei tin ani chuan a question kan share chuan minute li chu an tho both the pipes are open together but after 4 minutes pipe B is closed pipe B ka top dei do ni pipe A le B ka minute li chu an tho ti ka wang chuan now pipe A plus B is 4 minutes work 2 and 1 minute akan 4 multiply mấy tuổi này 7 by 60 times 40 đi 4 here divide thì 4 15 zeros này 4 15 zero chú bằng chuan 4 in 15 này 7 by 15 minute đi anh hẳn thọ mấy chuan na giống mình so bằng thế nào mình sari anh dâu này chú chuan equation khan anh tiếng thì how much time will A take to fill the remaining 6 turn thì chuan hi an thok ta a hen la zo lo ni hun so panga thana hun sarin zo a b bang dei chuan ala bang chu a na thok lo na bang remaining work ang ai ta ni remaining work dang na thok zo lo ha b ban to bang a thok to na a divide na ni 1 minus 7 by 15 to 8 by 15 8 by 15 15 minus 7 to 8 8 by 15 chuan cái hi na la bang hi tin lo thok do ngan ti chun a ko chun kan a thok ti tu ra ti wangin a na thok chak zong hi kan divide ni lo therefore A will finish will fill the will fill the remaining work in tiếng na la bang kha 8 by 15 kha a na thok do na divided by a chu 1 by 15 so bang chuan multiply an thak chuan 8 by 15 times 15 by 1 ania 5 left 5 and cancel chuan minute period chu 8 minutes azo do na ni chu ha kan answer ni question number 13 tan na question number 14 na lut le ha do dong 14 akan lut le nga la nga siam lam le lo 14 solution 14 solution now 14 question two pipes A and B can fill an empty tank in 5 hours and 6 hours respectively atile to pipe pani uma A le B ni A chun darkar ka chungin da khat vek theya B chuan darkar ruk chungin chu bang chuan pipe tinang pipe is 1 hour work to 1 by 5 ani tiang bokin pipe B's 1 hour work to 1 by 6 ani darkar ruk chungin ti khat vek thei tunga chuan pipe C can empty the full tank in 12 hours thung tani pipe C vele da pipe C ro chuan enge tanki khat to kha darkar so pari chungin enge ati ruak vek thei ati thungani anin nan o tho line darkar chungin a fill up theya tui kha thun khat vek theya pipe B bon darkar rukin pipe C ve thunge ro chuan an na tho lo zong tak khan lo che ve chu wang chuan het ein fing put tur an na tho lo zong ne tho wangin minus da tur darkar som pan hi hanga lo ti ruak turin minus 1 by 2 kha fing put minus l tu chuan question here le if all the three pipes are open together rualin kan hong don ta ti so rual ka hong chuan A plus B plus C kan ka perfect to ne thok chak zo ni pipe A plus B plus C is 1 hour pani lo ti khat cha ra hen lo tai chuak pe cha cha ra nang ma di ang de hani in chun te nan lu cha ra ni ral le veka 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6 plus minus 1 by 12 long ni mai chuan hei chok tur ani chuan hei chu plus into minus a chang do na LCM kan do ne pathuma hin LCM to 60 13 to 60 30 thei lo chu van chuan 60 ni ngai 12 in 30 divide thei lo chuan 5 12 zer 5 in 12 multiply chuan 60 chuak thunga chuan 12 ania plus 6 chuan hun so mania plus into minus su minus 12 in a hun nga ni pele me chuan hei kan chokanga 22 pinan 12 10 bel 22 of 5 kan pai chuan 22 of 5 kan pai chuan 17 a chuak ani 17 by 60 ni A le B le C chang ho chuan dar kar khat chungin an thot chak jong chu hun hun ko thena hun song pasari ni ani chuan a question chuan in how much time the thing will be filled the C hian lo pai chok ve char chara ma ro chu hi a cha an chak zo ga A le B ati lu cha kha hun ani yo ni chu hemi le ding zong che hi ni an 1 hour work le ding zong kan time take it ani chuan ta hian therefore time taken by the pipe A, B, and C will fill the tank. What was it? Pipe A, B, and C will fill the tank. Question tank the tank in 17 by 62 60 by 70 ani hi improper fraction ni chuan proper fraction a thlak tur ani chu 17 in a hun thum 17 hun thum ani remainder a 9 om dar kar thum le 9 by 17 ani hours tikani me exact number aga thei lo chuan hi kan answer ani and question number 14 kan zova na chuan question number 15 na kan lut lenga 16 in zo lo long 15 na chuan a pipe can fill an empty tank with water in 2 hours tanki ruak kha pipe a oma pipe pakhat chuan dar kar ni chugin ati khat thei veka ati a pipe pakhat chi kan soya a pipe 1 hour walk chu nar kar ni chuan 1 by 2 chuan tu na chuan leak alo om ta ni monga khan because of a leak it took 1 by 3 mixed fraction in naronda chu 7 by 3 dinani nar kar ni le chen be ai tam hret amamo ni chu ali ka wang chuan ati khat thei chok ai dar kar ni ati khat thei ka chu wang chuan chen tiang in thriat thiam nan time ron pe a time chu waka kan chan ti rai 1 by 2 time chu 2 hours ni tuna hin time ka kan zir ve ngai ta ni a fia zok nan time taken by the pipe ngoi kan soi kha a pipe hi the pipe with leak om toin with leak kachu question 1 by 3 and the 1 by 3 to 7 by 3 hours ani 7 by 3 hours ani chu work dana kan convert do ni time taken ka work dana that is a pipe 1 hour walk with leak leak telin 7 by 3 to 3 by 7 thing to ni work done khachu hours ta be lo tu time chi hours kan da alu ding zong ne ne tluk sel kan ti to ka chuan question chuan inge jong turamin ti kan oh if the tank is full in how much time will it be empty by the leak di tanki khat se tu na chuan a leak chak zong kha MIZO ani a leak chak zong 1 hours kan soi kan zon chuan a pai ro vek kun tu kan don tu na hian en la a leak tel chuan da 1/2 ani oh a 1 hour work chu a leak tel chuan 3/7 ani ai thau ani oh ama ka a chak zo ka a leak lo chuan a leak khan buang ta a chu wan chu anin thlau na ha kan zong do ni anin thlau na kan zon hian a leak na tho chak zong ha ka thei don ta ni oh therefore a leaks 1 hour work kan zon don chuan an difference kalak mai tur ani leak tel lawa pai ral thei hun chung le leak tela ti kha thun chung ka pai mai tur ani 3/7 chuan LCM kan langa LCM chu 14 ani chuan 7 minus 3 lo ni chu 4/14 oh sorry 7 2s are 14 3 2s are 6 ani 1/14 ani then a time taken by the leak to 14 hours oh leak chu ina pi ro don chuan hence the leak will empty the tank in 14 hours anyway the tank in 14 hours 1/14 chu time a chuan 14 hours ani duna chuan time and work to better 15 16 kan ina 16 solution 16 at chuan ting equation ni two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 10 hours and 12 hours respectively tile tani chuan pipe pani so ile pipe is 1 hour work 1 hour work two 1/10 ani chuan pipe B is 1 hour work po 1/12 ani chuan ting ati athat pipe C can empty the full tank in 20 hours he ting te chu kan chaw to kha pipe pathum na ma se chuan an lo ei zo le ona tho dang kha dang ta ni chu minus 1/23 an na tho opposite chi na chera bang gen negative ani chuan if all the pipes are open together in how much time will the empty tank be filled question number 14 men kan na thal tuk na che in ang te poi cho lel tu so pipe A plus B plus C trangkhom 1 hour work to 1/10 plus 1/12 plus minus 1/23 ta chu LCM kan langa 16 le maya 10 6 12 5 23 14/60 ang choka 14/60 chu kan reduce then kan simplify le nga 2 7s are 14 2 30 ani tani chuan tuna in how much time will the empty tank be filled hi den zong akan da chuan therefore that the empty tank will be filled in the empty tank will be filled in 30 by 7 hours nhé chú 7 4 are 28 nhé chuan LCM 2 4 2 by rồi lại minus đi cái lỗ minus reng này nè 6 plus 5 11 na 3 các bài chuan 8 8 by 60 lâu nha 8 by 62 4 2s are 8 nha 4 2s are 8 nha chuan thì chú 4 in 1 4 1 is 4 nha 4 5s are 22 by 15 to zo kan oh sorry ling zong chuan 15 by 2 lo nia chu 2 7s are 14 1 7 and a half oh so means chu 7 hours 30 minutes din ani chu lo minus phei hil ve te ke poti suli ol ve lu to ka oh zan lei to a chuan no sa thiam don nia oh darkar sari le chan ve mamoni chu ka song kha ni a next chapter number dang kan lut le nga 3 ate polymer sa te oh